Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Trezor 3 only ways. Start by unboxing your device and checking the tamper seal to ensure authenticity. Connect the Trezor 3 to your computer or phone and install the official Trezor Suite application. Follow on-screen prompts to create a new wallet, write down your recovery seed carefully, and set a strong PIN to protect access permanently. Begin setup by plugging in the Trezor 3 and opening the official Suite app on your computer or phone. Select Create New Wallet and follow prompts to generate your recovery seed. Write every word on the recovery card and store it in a secure, offline location. Set a unique PIN and confirm it, then test access briefly to ensure the wallet unlocks and your public addresses display correctly for receiving funds. If you're enjoying this guide, please like the video and subscribe for more crypto security tips. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's great for technical manuals and travel reading and pairs nicely with secure device learning. Check the description for the Kindle link and current deals, and if you pick one up, it supports the channel. Now let's get back to the video. For daily transactions, always confirm details like address and amount on the Trezor 3 screen before approving in the app. Use the optional passphrase feature for extra privacy, but be aware it creates a separate hidden wallet that requires its own backup and careful handling. Regularly check for firmware updates in Trezor Suite and apply them to keep your device protected against new threats and exploits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.